Hi, I'm Hurricane from XYZ-Dimensions, and this is a detailed look at the technical drawing set for the journey of the Desert Dragonfly Art Car. There were 55 drawings issued for this project. This one here is an overview detailing the 10 various sub-assemblies. The project itself was 10 meters long and is 5.5 meters tall and covered in 111 meters of addressable LEDs. This is the detail of the base platform, including the cut list and the tabs to bolt into the surveyed mount points on the Daihatsu Hijet base vehicle. A weld template was provided for this. The ladder served as the core structural element supporting the weight of the upper deck. This is the tail. It is made from 7 different segments, each with diffused LED. It had an internal weldment, and some details of the LEDs and the connecting fins. These are the CNC laser cut parts and a bend table indicating the bends for the tail and the body segments. An overview of the body. This was also provided with a weld template and a cut list. The skeletal frames were slot and tabbed together for ease of fabrication and skinned in pre-break formed 1/8 inch aluminium skins. It's a detail of the skins, some of the framing components. We decided to add a little love seat. It had an internal storage compartment below it. Details of the handrails. The LED zones were all separated, and each of the radiuses is an angel number. Skins. The front structural arch served as a structural support for the upper deck and tied that into the cab. The wing overview and details of the wings, including an exploded view. Each of these is a custom Voronoi script developed in Grasshopper. Some of the sub-assemblies. An overview of the wing mounts. These allowed the wings to be presented in 3 different orientations. This weldment was all slot and tabbed together. This is the wing mount brackets. This is an overview of the legs. The legs were on particularly unusual angles just to really tune into the insect-like nature. Associated drilling patterns for the mounting of the legs, 1-to-1 drilling templates, details of the curved claws and leg mounts. So some of the legs. The legs featured internal LED spotlights. The upper balustrade has a continuous S-curve which continues from the ladder below and depicts the journey of the Desert Dragonfly, showing a dragonfly flying through the dark night of a soul into a crescent moon-wrapped exploding sunset baked through eyes half wide shut. This is an overview of the head. This is version 17. The head is primarily made up from regular hexagons tessellated over an irregular compound curved surface. The eye surrounds were quite tricky. They transitioned through multiple planes and were made up from 4 primary flattened surfaces with integrated tabs for the rivets. The eye surfaces themselves were made up of 9 separate strips of hexagons, each with etched bend lines and bend angles. Nose bridge, a detail of the front clip and the ceiling piece. The mouth had an integrated LED headlight bar, and assembly details of the nose bridge, the eye surrounds, the eye surfaces, and the nose bridge and integrated LEDs. And that was how it was done.